Today's video I'm going to show you how to change a turn signal light. And you see the four ways are on. The one on the left is working and the one on the right is not. So let me show you how to replace that. These pickup trucks is pretty simple. A couple of screws right here, Torx. You're going to take those out and this whole assembly should come right out. Okay, now in this particular truck you can see we're T25. Just take these two screws right out. You see it's already coming loose. And this whole assembly comes right out of there. The light assembly here is on top. We're going to turn this about a quarter turn. It comes right out. And there you have your light bulb. Light bulb is just pressed in, so we're just going to pull out on that. You see the number for it there. Take and get our new one. New one goes in, same way the old one come out. Just take and get it lined up there. Push it in. And then it goes in the same way it came out. You see little plastic pieces there come in, turns, snaps into place. A little piece here lines up with a hole here. And then put our two screws right back in here. Should line up pretty good. One there, one there. Just like that. Turn it on and test it. And that is how you replace a turn signal bulb in the pickup truck. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.